Hello all, this is Kumar Chindan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of Y and change in Y. We will also check out Maxpen PCR and the trend cycle for Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. First, we will start with Bank Nifty and check out the closing price. The closing price of Bank Nifty is 21,392.20 as on July 14th. And we are talking about 16 July expiry. Now we will find out trading range for the Bank Nifty. Trading range is the range between highest call and highest put. So first we will find out the highest call strike. For that purpose we will go through this column, Y column, and see where is the highest call. Here we can see around 12,25,000 contracts are open at 23,000 strike. So this is going to be the highest call and highest resistance for the Bank Nifty. Followed by here 7,90,000 contracts are at 22,500 strike. So this is going to be the second highest resistance for Bank Nifty. And also look this strike, that is 22,000 strike, 7,67,000 contracts are open with addition of around 5 lakh contracts. So this is going to be the huge resistance for Bank Nifty as the addition is huge today. And also here we can see immediate resistance we can see over here at Bank Nifty at 21,500. Here we can see 3,80,000 contracts are open added today only. So this is going to be an immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. Now we will go through this column and find out where is the highest put. This is the highest put, around 5,49,000 contracts are over here at 21,000 strike. So this is going to be the highest support for Bank Nifty. Followed by here we can see 4,36,000 contracts are open here at 22,500. Also here addition is huge in put, that is 26,000 contracts are added today only. So this is going to be the very good support for Bank Nifty, and this is highest, this is second highest. So now the range of the Bank Nifty seems to be from 22,500 to 22,000 strike. So this is going to be the range. 20,500 to 22,000 strike is the range for the Bank Nifty, keeping the pivot level at 21,500. This is going to be the pivot level for Bank Nifty, because here we can see 4 lakh contracts are over here and 3,71,000 contracts are here. So 21,500 is the pivot level for Bank Nifty as of now. Now if we see the net change, this column, these all are red indicates the call writers are over there and they have used the higher level to sell off. Here we can see the put buyers, all indicates the put buyers. So this is also indicates the weakness on Bank Nifty. So on OI, Bank Nifty is showing weakness. We will also check out the Maxpen PCR and trend cycle for it. Now we will move towards here at Nifty and first check out the closing price. The Nifty is closing at 10,607.35 as on 14th July, and we are talking about 16th July expiry. Now the trading range for the Nifty, the highest call and highest put. For finding trading range we will go through this column, and we can see here around 37,61,000 contracts are open at 10,800 strike with addition of 16 lakh contracts. And here is the second highest call at 31 lakh contracts with addition of 5,70,000 contracts at 10,900. And also this one 29,000 contracts. This is going to be the immediate resistance for Nifty. 29 lakh contracts are added with addition of 22. This is huge. 22 lakh contracts added today only. So this is going to be the huge resistance for Nifty at 10,700 strike. And if you see, these all are writers, call writers. So the upside seems very limited in Nifty. Now for support, we can see here 22 lakh contracts are over here at 10,500, followed by 18 lakh contracts at 10,000 strikes. So this is going to be the second highest support. This is the highest support, and we can see here unwinding at 10,300, and there is huge unwinding over here at 10,700. Around 16 lakh contracts are unwinded. This is showing the weakness over here. Now the range of the Nifty seems to be 10,400 to 10,400 to here at 10,700. This is going to be the range for the Nifty, keeping the pivot level at 10,600. This is the pivot level. 10,600 is going to be the pivot level. Above this, Nifty will try to go towards 10,700, and below this Nifty will try to go towards 10,500, 10,450 and 10,400. So this is the make or break level for Nifty. Now if you see net change, these all are red, indicates the call writers are over there and they have used the higher level for selling, and any pullback that we have seen today have been used for sell off. Now see this one, put buyers are over here, indicating the huge weakness in Nifty as well. So overall on Y data, Nifty also look weak. We will also check out the PCR and max span for it and trend cycle for it. So we can see here the max span of Bank Nifty has been decreased around 1000 points, and also the max span of this Nifty has been decreased. So this is an indication of bearishness. Whereas if we see the trend cycle of Bank Nifty and Nifty, this also are showing the weakness on both the indices, Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is all about the data which is showing weakness in Bank Nifty and Nifty, and every rise can be any rise can or any pullback can be used for sell off. This is indicating as we are seeing the huge resistance at the higher levels. So this is all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. Hope you like the video. If you like, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching.